insert footnotes in Microsoft Word. Step 1. Open your document. Open Microsoft Word. Open the document where you want to insert the footnote. Step 2. Position the cursor. Place your cursor at the point in the text where you want the footnote number to appear. Step 3. Insert the footnote. Go to the References tab in the ribbon. Click on the Insert Footnote button. Step 4. Enter footnote text. Word will automatically insert a superscript number in the text and move the cursor to the bottom of the page. Type your footnote text where the cursor is now positioned. Step 5. Format footnotes. To format your footnotes, highlight the footnote text. Go to the Home tab. Use the formatting options as needed.